Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Ay, teka lang ha. And double check ko lang muna sa aking website. Let's see if it's working because sometimes this StreamYard this new platform nagloloko pag minsan. Ayan, my voice na. Okay. And we are live. So hello, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all over the world and where you are tuning right now. Hello, hello po sa inyo. And hope and praying that everyone is safe and sound. Yay! And yes, by the way, to those who are first time to see me on live, my name is Julie Ann, by the way, and I'm here from Anyo, California. And late tayo ngayon. Today is 11:06 p.m., September 11. Humabol ako. And yes, you will see me live every day because we have this 90 days success challenge that we are engaged in right now. And today is our 52nd day of our 90 days success challenge. And today our topic will be learnings from and during this challenge. Di ba? So we're gonna be talking about our challenges here in this challenge, 90 days success challenge. And but before that, let me just show you my background. If you see this place, I'm just promoting my place. That is from Baguio Mines View, o di ba? So yan po yung makikita nyo sa sunset. Baguio, that is a Baguio sunset. So if by any chance you're going home to the Philippines and visit Baguio, don't miss this place, Mines View Park. Today, mas maganda na ngayon kasi mas maayos na yung parking because the last time I went home last June is maayos yung parking area. Yun nga lang traffic kasi one way lang po doon kaya masyadong traffic. It will take you hours to reach that place. Maliit lang ang Baguio, you can just tour that one in like 2 hours na nakasakay. Pero ngayon, hindi mo na magawa kasi it's all because of the traffic. But yes, was raised and born in Mountain Province, studied in Baguio City, and I'm staying now here in Antioch, California. And our topic will be learnings from and during the 90 Days Success Challenge. Actually, let me just ask you this question. So, sa tingin niyo pa ba, scam itong ginagawa ko or yung ino-offer ko? Ano sa tingin niyo, scam pa ba? Kung may magbigay ng comment dyan, click or type 1 if you heard or you've received my question kung scam ba ito. Naks. But anyway, before I'll answer that questions, we're gonna be talking about challenges from and during the success challenge. Oh, hello girl, nasa work ka? so, so yes, if we're gonna be talking about learnings from the 90 Day Success Challenge, actually maraming ang malaking tulong nga itong nangyari sa 90 Day Success Challenge, especially on our business and especially on social media. Because nowadays, alam naman natin na social media is a very powerful tool or vehicle na ginagamit ng mga tao ngayon. But it depends what is your purpose. So, our main purpose is to inspire people, to educate people, and then to educate, to inspire, and to inform that we have this. opportunity, big opportunity. It's a blessing that we can share to everyone. That's why we're here. But others, they use it for entertainment. You know naman, entertainment, mga news, kasi wala ng mga newspapers ngayon, pinagtatanggal na. So they use it to update people and everything else, etc. And to do shopping also, 'di ba? So yan, ang daming gamit ng social media ngayon. But for us, we're here because of our reason that I mentioned a while ago. So, shout out muna sa aking mentor na si Gina Bertes. Aba. Thank you sis for coming in even if you're at work. So, yes, yan yung dahilan kung bakit nga ba namin ginagamit itong social media. But for this 90 Day Success Challenge, yes, there's a lot of learnings that I've learned. Tsaka nagpapasalamat talaga ako na we have this team who is very supportive and creative and ano pa ba, talagang nag-iisip sila ng paraan para maging active ang kaming mga business owners. And shout out to Maristel Dabolos for initiating that. And kaya ito, ang daming pagbabago actually ang dami kong pagbabago, ang dami kong natutunan sa challenge na ito. At magpo-point lang ako ng tatlo. I just wanna talk to three learnings that I've learned from this challenge. So for the meantime, let me just check my sa aking business page kasi pag minsan hindi nag-show ang ayan. So, aba. Thank you for my 4 million viewers who is watching me right now all over the world. So yeah, ang pinakaunang nabigay sa akin, actually marami, pero yung main three, yung top 3 ko lang ang sasabihin ko. So yung top 3, ang aking third is the power of focus. So doon nagkakaroon ng power of focus na nagkakaroon ako ng more focus sa aking goal. At saka nagkakaroon ako ng clarity kasi dati ang dami kong whys, ang dami kong reason kung bakit ako nag-join ng business. But because of this 90 Day Success Challenge, I was able to focus more sa tawag nito, sa aking purpose at saka sa aking big why, yung greatest why. So, kasi nung una parang I've joined the business because of kasi I just want to break the chain sa paulit-ulit na yan yung mga sinasabi ng aking mga mentors kanina, sa paulit-ulit na sitwasyon ng buhay ko. Always work home, no time, no chance to meet with families, and I've missed a lot of occasions. So I want to gain more that time. And then yun yung mga ang dami kong rason eh. And then yung isa is para mag-retire ng maaga. But as I've joined on this 90 Day Success Challenge, I was able to focus more kung ano yung greatest why ko. And right now, I was able to, going into that greatest why. Kasi lahat naman tayo parang pare-parehas tayo kung bakit nag-join tayo ng isang business. That is to retire early, to have time freedom, to have financial freedom, and to have or to break even with our taxes, especially here in the US and to other countries who have taxes. But for me, right now, yung isang natutunan ko is nagkaroon ako ng natututunan ko kung ano ba talaga ang greatest why ko. At saka yung pinakamalaking dahilan na yun is matatakal natin as we go on my 3 reasons. Yung pangalawa, so yun yung third ko, yung pangalawa ko is embrace your authenticity. So I was able to, through this challenge, I was able to focus more or to see more kung ano ba talaga ang pagkatao ko and kung ano ang kaya kong gawin. I was able to know more my weaknesses and my strength. And doon ako more na nagfo-focus ngayon. So, yun yung pinakamagandang pangalawa na nabigay sa akin ng 90 Day Success Challenge. embrace your authenticity. Ay! Hello! Shout out muna kay Coach. Hi, Coach Lynn! Nahuli ako, ah. Coach Lynn, naalala mo yung first na live ko noon? Oh my gosh, hindi ako makapagsalita. Pero ngayon, tingnan mo, ang nagawa ng challenge na 'to. Ano ba 'to? Sisisihin ko si Maristel, eh. So, oo nga. So, yun. Embrace my authenticity at saka yung sabi nga ni aking mentor na Jeans Vertesis, galing ng 90 Days Success Challenge, lumalabas ang mga nakatago. So yun yung mga natutunan ko dito na sa challenge na ito na I was able to bring out the best of me. Ay! Tama ba? Best of me daw. So so parang, yun yung talagang isang pangalawang nabigay sa akin ng, challenge na 'to at saka yung pinakauna, ito yung pinakauna ko, that I was able to find out that life is inevitable. So, yun yung mga realizations na pumasok sa isip ko as I go on my challenge. And parang nakikita ko yung purpose at saka yung greatest why ko kung bakit ako nag-join sa business na ito. I was able to find out that life is inevitable as I reflect on the days na nangyari before and during and before and just after I joined the business and during I am doing my business. So sa so yun talaga yung pinaka number one ko at saka yun na talaga ang nagiging greatest why ko. O, 'di ba? So sabi ni Coach Lynn, yes, maraming nag-come out of their comfort zone na nila. And tama ka nga, oh my gosh. So, salamat sa inyo kasi napaka-supportive talaga ng team na 'to, Team The Influencers. That is why I'm very proud to say, oh, 'di ba? And this was led by Coach Lynn. So, yun yung pinakauna ko, life is inevitable. And yun yung natutunan ko at nung ginagawa ko 'tong challenge na 'to kasi the more na nagre-reflect at tayo dahil sa mga topics natin everyday, parang doon napupunta yung challenge na 'to, eh. Yung parang hinahahanap mo yung sarili mo, nahahanap mo kung ano yung focus mo at saka nahahanap mo kung ano talaga ang purpose mo at saka yung, greatest why mo sa challenge na 'to. Kaya parang yun yung tatlong pinaka-main na three learnings that I've learned here in this 90 Days Success Challenge. And nasabi ko na life is inevitable because, when I'm doing this challenge, napapa-reflect ako doon sa before ako nag-join. Bakit nga ba ako nag-join? Hindi lang 'yun yung rason, eh. Hindi lang 'yun yung pang-tax write-off, hindi lang yung pag-retire ng maaga, hindi lang yung pagkakaroon ng time freedom at saka financial freedom. So may deeper pa palang dahilan kung bakit, ako nandito, parang gano'n. At saka 'yun yung nare-realize din ng mga aking business partners. And one who made us realize that one is Coach Lynn. So, as long as we have that right attitude, right, mindset, and to help our other business partners, parang yun yung pinaalala niya sa amin and that is why we are here in the business because we found out that, we can do that all qualities in this business. So saan ka makakakita nga naman ng ganong, quality na puwede mong gawin, 'di ba, sa ibang na business. Parang yung naiisip kong business noon is, yung naisip kong maganda lang noon is yung life insurance. Kaya ako napa-join, nag-try na mag-life insurance noon kasi, I'm thinking of, lumabas na naman ang pagka-nurse. Siguro dahil talagang nurse tayo, we're thinking of, helping other people, especially the families, especially knowing that here in the US, it's really important to have insurance. Pero aside from that, since hindi nga nag-fit sa akin, hindi nag-fit sa personality ko or hindi nag-fit sa aking kakayahan, napadpad ako sa business na ito, which is I found that qualities that I was able to, share and, tulungan yung ibang tao. That is why we are here in the social media, sharing you all or using our voice to share this opportunity, big opportunity. And kaya kami nandito. So we are here to share all uh, these blessings and opportunity that there is still a business where you can help other people or you can continue your purpose in life if you want to help others. So at saka yun yung kagandahan kasi nagsimula kami na ganun yung nadatnan namin at saka yun yung tinuturo sa amin at saka yun din yung pinapasa namin sa aming mga business partners. And shout out lang muna before ko sila mawala. Shout out kay Sis Gina, kay Coach Lynn who's here and watching. And ang dami nilang sinabi ah. Ngayon galing-galing mo na. Ay, Gina. Dahil sa inyo kaya na ano natuto na rin, o 'di ba? At saka talagang walang mangyayari kung hindi mo talaga ivo-voice out or sasabihin na ito nga, there is a very, very great opportunity that you can have sa business na ito. And aside from the benefits that you will get, there's a lot of opportunities talaga, o 'di ba, na you can also help other people and bring hope to other people. Aba talagang nagagamit ngayon ang hope sa araw na ito kasi yun naman talaga ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito, eh, to show that there's a hope in this cycle of life that we have, o 'di ba? Especially if we really want to break that chain. Ah, so yun ang gusto kong i-share ngayon at saka medyo late na nga ako, eh, kasi 11:21 PM na. Humabol ako kasi I was able to help somebody who wants to change her life for better, o 'di ba? So, 'yun ang gusto kong i-share. Tapos may i-she-share lang akong isang kasabihan dito na eto, by Orison Swett Marden. Don't wait for extraordinary opportunities. Seize common occasions and make the great. O, 'di ba? Kasi life is inevitable. We really don't know what's really gonna happen. Just like for me, I'm not expecting. Maybe I'm waiting for something na mas greater nung una. Pero hindi nag-fit sa akin nung nahanap ko yung insurance na yun pero hindi nag-fit. That's why I was able to bump into this one, not expecting that there is more opportunity pala na makikita, 'di ba? Tapos and I said that life is inevitable because before I've bumped into this business, so many things happen, especially medical side. Yung family mo nagkaroon ng mga emergencies and nagpatong-patong na. And then when it hit me just after I joined the business, my husband, nangyari nga yun na not thinking that maybe I joined this business because of that reason. But as I'm going through this challenge, I was able to realize na yun pala yung parang malaking rason na kung bakit ako dinala dito. So that is what I'm telling to everyone, that even if you don't, if someone is offering you an opportunity, try to check it because you never know that you need it one day. At least nakita mo at saka may babalikan ka. So it does not mean naman na if you will see that opportunity, you will join right away or you will jump in right away. But at least you were able to see that someday or one day, if something happens or hindi naman natin pinagpipray na may mangyayari talaga, but if something happens, at least there's a there's something that is waiting for you, o 'di ba? May isang opportunity na nag-aantay sa and it's up to you if you will take it or you will just watch it. Panoorin mo na lang kami na aangat sa buhay, o 'di ba? So that's what I want to share. And with this saying also. So because that is what really happened to me. So every now and then I'm always thinking that yeah, life is really inevitable. You really never know what's gonna happen. And uh, sabi ko nga, pinagpe-pray ko nga bakit hindi dumating nung ano pa, nung pandemic or before pandemic, because this business, it's been there for a while, and we were able to just found it out through a friend just last year. So and pero hindi pa naman huli ang lahat, 'di ba? So may mga talagang rason, siguro 'yun talaga ang pinaramdam sa akin ni Lord para tingnan 'yun at para maramdaman at para ma-share sa iba. Kasi when you check on our community, you will see a lot of different stories and you can resonate from them. Talagang talagang matatamaan ka talaga. It may not be your story, but you will really find one that resonates you. Kasi talagang iba-iba naman tayo eh. At saka sa business na to, it does not need to be, gagawin mo ang pare-parehas na ah, pare-parehas na ano na ito, na platform, but you can do whatever you want, whatever it fits you, and which one is comfortable for you. So yun yung kagandahan ng business kasi ng business na 'to kasi it fits all. It does not mean naman na yung personality mo ganito, hindi na pwede, or yung trabaho mo ganito, hindi ka na pwede. Hindi po. Pwede po kahit na kanino, kahit na sino po pwede. As long as you are willing to learn and be coachable. Yan. And the right mindset, which is a positive one, then you will not have a hard time to learn and to run this business. And you will not be running on your own because we are here. We are here as your mentors, and we have coaches like Coach Lynn, and we have our business partners here and our team who's gonna help you along the way. So hindi talaga mahirap. And ano pa bang gusto kong i-share? So yun lang, yung parang tatlong natutunan ko dito and during this ongoing challenge. And this is our 52nd. And alam natin na yung kasabihan na malayo na pero malayo pa. Pero pagkatapos ng 90 days success challenge na ito, actually this is just the first step. So this is just the beginning of it. Magsisimula pa lang kami after ng 90 days. Yung 91 na yon, doon mo na makikita kung ano talaga ang pinagbago ng buhay at saka ano talaga ang nagbago sa aming mga nag 90 days success challenge. So hopefully if you're watching, you will be inspired and not expired but inspired on what we are sharing to everyone. And you will learn more a lot after we've finished this 90 days success challenge. But I challenge you not to finish this 90 days success challenge. You have to check right away that business, that opportunity that is waving and waiting for you. So wala namang mawawala. At least you will learn or gain something, and then we have shared something also. It's like a win-to-win situation. Yes. So sabi nga ni na Zap, oh buti na ay si Zap. Hello, hello, hello. Hello Zap, and shout out muna bago ko sila mawala kasi it's already late at night. So si Jeans, buti nakahabol ka girl. Yay, congratulations. Oo nga, late na. And Zap, kaya having plan B is important. Yes. So having plan B is really important because you never know. Life is inevitable, you know. And then this is just the beginning. Yes. This is just the beginning. This 90 day success challenge is just not 90 days. This is just the beginning of it. So after that 90 days, you will see a lot of it, but and you will learn more things about us. And but we are not telling that you have to wait that 90 days success challenge. you have to you have to join us and see what's really inside. So sabi ni Zap naman is kahit ano pa man ang sitwasyon mo, magpabisi ka mang tao with multiple jobs, retired, stay at home, introvert, non-tech savvy, pwede ka dito sa business na ito. Yes. So so tama nga naman ang sinabi nila. So you will learn a lot. If I will discuss all the good things and the good opportunity, the benefits and the platform, you will learn a lot of things. Hindi tayo matatapos ngayong gabi. And oo nga eh, may 30 minutes pa ako kasi Cinderella time nga. Yes, okay lang yan. Ay, nako. Talaga naman. Ginagaya ko si Sis Maristel. Nagpapahuli. Ako naman ang pasang-awa ngayon, o di ba? Eh, siya ang nag-valedictorian ngayong araw, ako naman ang nagpasang-awa. But anyway, I was able to catch up before the midnight strikes. And makahabol naman kasi baka mamaya ibabagsak ako ni Coach Lynn. Joke lang po. so so yes, that is the one that I'm gonna share. And kaya wag nang patumpik-tumpik pa, 'di ba? So sa lahat ng mga, kasi I know that there's a lot of people watching there, and you will see a lot of a lot of blessings, a lot of uh, blessings, a lot of achievements in our team, a lot of action takers, a lot of rock stars. You will see a lot of them in our team. Wag naman kayong mag-ano, sana all, 'di ba? Dapat dapat yun nga yung sinasabi ko na wag kayong don't think of what ifs, 'di ba? Kasi what ifs are only regrets. Maninegative. That is already a negative thinking. So just think of it that what if tomorrow never comes, 'di ba? Paano pag hindi na dumating ang bukas, hindi mo na nagawa ang lahat ng gusto mong gawin, 'di ba? And then wag kayong pasana-sana all, 'di ba? Dapat sana gawin nating positive 'yan, dapat tara all. Kaya, ang sana all dapat palitan natin ng tara all. I know that there's a lot of people watching there, and they've seen that we have a lot of achievements, a lot of action stars, a lot of rock stars in our team, and they're telling that sana all. But I dare you, or I challenge you that join us so that you will not be so that you will not be just saying sana all, 'di ba? Kasi dapat tara all. So you have to join us so that you will say tara all. And I'm gonna share for today that I've got a blessing again. You see, you will never and you know life is full of surprises. So you will never expect. I'm not expecting any blessings or anything, but you see, something came. So so I'm very very thankful. These envelopes are for blessings. We receive inside of these are blessings inside. So it's a business. So you know what it's inside. So it's my payday today. I've 'Di ba? Off ko. Tingnan niyo, off ko, kumita pa ako. Yun yung kagandahan. And I just spent like how many minutes on my live for today? It's 29 minutes. So, and the fun thing is, I was able to do this 90 day success challenge with my teammates, with my other business partners, and we're having fun. And we're just talking about life insights, life learnings, di ba? And then we are just sharing the blessings that there's an opportunity for everyone to check. So all you have to do is to check, just to enter your name and your email address on my website, which is the uh, the www.josonkit.com, and just enter your website and your name and your email, and you will see the overview of our business. So if you are ready to discover something exciting and the next step with us, don't wait. Register your name and email at www.josonkit.com, and let's embark in this journey together. So ang tanong kanina is this a scam? 'di ba? Yun yung unang bungad ko kanina, is this a scam? And it's up to you to check it out kung scam ba 'to. Ipahanap niyo na lang yung pagmumukhang ito sa FBI. Ay, joke lang po. So, joke lang po. Hindi po ito scam kasi why will I show my beautiful face in front of you guys that there's an opportunity waiting for you and waving for you to check it out, 'di ba? So yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi if we're gonna discuss about the scam, ay naku, mahabang usapan na naman 'yan. But all I can say is this is not a scam because my face is here and my name is here and my website is here. So if and my Facebook page, just check my Facebook business page, Jow and Kids, and my Facebook profile, Lian Abad. So yan po ang aking Facebook profile. So if you wanna see if this is a scam or not, check it out. You can do your due diligence to check it out and see if it's a scam or not. So that is only your assignment to do. Only to check it if it's legit, 'di ba? Legitimacy. Oh? So, yun yung sabi ni sabi ni Zapra, natawa tuloy ako. Na, natawa tuloy. Ipapahanap niyo po sa FBI kasi full-blooded igorot ako. Gra Natawa naman ako sa'yo, girl. Oh, thank you, girl, for letting me, yung pinaalala mo kung ano ba talaga ang meaning ng FBI. O, di ba? So, yun lang po ang aking i-share and that is what I wanna say to you that stop saying sana all and start saying tara all. It should be tara all kasi pag sana all is just like kami lang yung, umaangat, ayaw naman namin yun, 'di ba? Kaya nga namin shine-share sa inyo para tara all. Oh, 'di ba? Diyos ko, oo, makikita sabi ni Jeans, oo, nagkatawan ni Gina kung na makikita ka talaga dun, LOL. Oo, makikita ako dun kasi kilala na yung pagmumukha na 'to. Diyos ko Lord. Kaya yun lang po, thank you so much and thank you Zap for making my night fun at least. Natawa naman ako dun and, yeah, thank you so much. Just check my website and my website is www.josonkit.com and check the overview. Just enter your name and your email address and you will see the overview of our business. And I encourage everyone to proceed on step 2 because that's the time that you will see the blueprint or the black and white of our business. And then doon ka doon ka masa-surprise na makikita mo kung, "Oh, ganito pala kaganda 'to." Oh, 'di ba? Ganito pala kaganda ang Jow. Oh, ayun, just making your night hindi naman nightmare, pero good dream, oh, 'di ba? Para may ano, alam niyo guys, itong sasabihin ko sa inyo, just enter your name and your email and then proceed to step 2. Pagkatapos ng step 2, ay naku, ang ganda ng panaginip ninyo, promise. Ang gaganda talaga ang panaginip ninyo. O, 'di ba? Panaginip na hindi kayo makatulog dahil ang ganda ng nakita ninyo. So yun, so so yun lang. So no, I'm not kidding everyone. I'm just telling the truth because me when I proceed to step 2, that's the time that I really want that. Yung ganun yung nasa feeling ko. So I'm just sharing what I really felt that night. Oh, 'di ba? So, guys, I have to see you tomorrow and thank you for watching and staying with me tonight and signing out. My name is Julie Ann, by the way, and I'm here from Antioch, California. I'm originally from Philippines and time check lang muna tayo. Today is 11:38 p.m. Wednesday, September 11. So, pasang-awa po ako ngayon. And and sabi ni Sister Zap, napalaki ang mata, 'di ba? Kaching, kaching. Oo. Kaya we encourage you to proceed to step 2 at saka ay naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo, you will really have a good dream. Talagang good dream ito, 'di ba? So, yes, I'm gonna see you tomorrow on the 53rd, oh, 'di ba? Lumabas ang pagka-Pilipino, 53rd day of our 90 Day Success Challenge. So, thank you so much. Have a good day, blessed night, and see you tomorrow, guys. So, wag sana all, dapat tara all, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.